Morning. Hey, how's it going? Mr. Edu is here. Tim is here. What's going on, Tim? Good to see you. What's going on, TikTok? Good to see you. Algo is here. How's everything going? How is the morning going? Hopefully good. Hopefully good. All right, let's see. Is NYSE Open? It is indeed open. Yes, yes. Hopefully that wasn't too loud. What's going on, Stuart? Good to see you. Good to see you. How you doing? How you doing? Yeah, we're open. All right. Wednesday. Took a $300 L. Been there, done that. Got the t-shirt. Yeah. That's all right. Yeah, you're taking the session off. There's nothing wrong with that, my friend. There's nothing wrong with that. I'll never fault you for that. That's good. Self-discipline, self-awareness is the best thing that you can do. It really is. If you know yourself, you know how you are as a trader, you can adjust. So that's good, man. Didn't follow your rules. Yep. Yeah, you know what? You know what the issue is, which is good. You know what the issue is. And you can just adjust and fix it. But it sounds like you're already on top of it. So that's good. That's good to hear. Sorry you took an L, though. It sucks. Get used to losing is all I can say. And then one day, things may change. But you'll be numb to it. You'll be numb to it. Yeah, it does. It's part of the game. You know, and hopefully it was I mean, you did say it was you didn't follow your rules loss, but I was going to say maybe it's a statistical loss, and if it's that, then that's a little different. Yeah. Taking some L's, yeah. You know, just getting back into the trading swing is going to be slow, right? Yeah. You've started the year so badly in terms of discipline. Like, I forgot what happened last year. You know, that's another thing to recognize. VJ Prince, welcome to the crew. Thanks for the follow. So yeah, as you can see on screen, we've got gold and NQ. We're just gonna watch these. Basic, how you doing, my friend? Congratulations on passing your account. Nice and slow and steady. Sounds like that worked out for you. That's good. Yeah. But yeah, the thing is, Stuart, with discipline, is if you're able to remember that your discipline is what's going to keep you funded or get you funded, find a way to my advice, find a way to remind yourself on that on a daily basis. For me, I have my rules posted on the wall. My trading rules are posted on the wall, and above that I have my funded certificate sitting on top of it, and it's the foundation that my certificate is sitting on. And to me, it says the only way this is possible is by standing firm on my rules. So that works for me. Just a suggestion. Yeah, good stuff. NYSE opening candle is crazy as always. We'll see what happens. Looks like gold is definitely bearish. Let me know if the music levels are too much, you guys. On TikTok, if it's too loud, let me know, please. Sometimes it's hard to gauge that. Yeah. Music's good? Okay. All right. Excellent. Music was made by our lovely Allison. She's off this week. So, we will, hopefully, she can catch some good trades, or she can at least get some stuff done. So that's good. That's a good thing for her. Yep. Yeah, but today, if you're new here on YouTube or TikTok, I trade price action only, and we're trading NQ. Here we come. I'm seeing a setup, you guys. I'm seeing a setup. Let's see if we can do the second mouse. Strat today. Breakout, fake out, inbound. Try and catch it on the way down. The mouse, yeah, the mouse is strat. NQ burned me the other day with the bacon. I didn't want the bacon. I must have burnt it or something. News? Oh yeah, you're right. Thank you. What do we have? PMI. Ah, okay. Well, ooh, jolts. We might not be trading. That's some jolting information. You're on as well? Yeah, okay. Sounds good, Stuart. Yeah, maybe a daily reminder might help you really realize. And something that might help as well for me is I switched from trying to make the money, trying to pass, trying to hit a profit target to I want to play the game better. Basically, I want to get the best possible trade I can. To me, a win is if I take a good trade. And if it loses, then, well, that's all right. That's all right. By the way, on Kick, we got a new follower, Snicker and Liam Walty. That might be the other Liam that I know. So if that is the same person that I know, then I would say welcome to both YouTube and Kick. Appreciate the follows. Yep. Appreciate the follows. But like I always tell you guys, this here, just ate one of my own beard hairs. This content, everything you see here will be free forever. I'm never going to ask you guys for money. I'm never going to sell you a mentorship. I'm never going to sell you a course. And that's just me. No judgment or digs on anybody else. What's going on, Pez? Good to see you, my friend. Hey, exclamation Pez in the chat. Exclamation Pez in the chat. Pez is here. Exclamation Pez in the chat. How's trading going for you, Pez? How's your year starting out? Are you finding that you're able to focus a bit more? You might have to wait until the exclamation Pez's end before you answer that, because they're starting to pop off right now. Oh, yeah, yeah. I like this part of the song, but it's very wordy, so I gotta skip it. It's just a bit of talking. But anyways, so just so you guys know, we're not here for that. But yeah, pure price action, no indicators. That's my deal. That's how I was trained up. That's how most of you guys know how to trade. So we're gonna stick with that. We're gonna stick with that. If you want this music on screen below the chat box, way over there, music by Allison, aka the Doc's wife. So check her channel out. Biblical, good to see you, my friend. Chris, welcome in. Welcome in. Good to see both of you guys. Welcome in. Chris, you're officially in the Elite Navigators section of the Discord. I don't know if you noticed that or not. So you have been elevated, my friend. My shout out to my navigators. They're on screen. Basically, everybody who is up there they're the fuel that keeps this channel going. So I just want to say thank you to all of the supporters of the channel so far. They all did that by their own choice, and that's something I'll never ask for. It's just there. So, yeah, but just want to say thank you guys for making the decision to support the channel. You never have to. This will always be here. This will always be free. This will always be here. But for those who do support, you know, I've got some perks for you guys, and I try and level it up a little bit, and, you know, do a little extra if I can for you. So that's my way of showing my appreciation. Yeah. Good stuff. We'll see when we get ourselves a second mouse strat on NQ. I would love to take a second mouse strat. today. I would love that. Do me a favor, guys. If you know somebody who's interested in trading, share the live stream with them if you don't mind. Trying to grow a little bit over here, and when somebody shares the live stream or shares whatever, shares the channel or something, that does send a signal to YouTube and the algorithm that says, hey, this is a high quality signal, basically. Liking the stream and sub is also good, which I always appreciate that, but sharing and commenting and engaging directly with this content is like the cream of the crop. So if you don't mind, even if you're part of I don't know, if you're part of a Facebook or something, Facebook group, or you're part of another Discord and they don't mind you sharing links, then I would appreciate that. Mitt Romp Ud, I can't say your full name, I apologize, but welcome to the channel. Thanks for following. Welcome to the crew. If you guys sub, you'll get a little notification. Yeah, NQ is moving. Oh, I'm ready for this fake out. NQ is moving, but if you guys sub to the channel, you'll get a little shout out from the stream. Ready? Here's my first hit for the day. Fresh coffee. Ah, nothing beats the first hit, man. Trust me, I'm not what you think I am. I just think it's funny. I've had friends that did that, but it wasn't coffee. Yeah, fresh Red Bull. There you go. Yeah, I call this liquid sleep. This is my liquid sleep. It's my hot bean water. My hot bean water. My liquid sleep. Oh man, there's nothing like a hot coffee, man. It's so good. So good. Hey, can I share something personal with you guys? Oh, yesterday was a rough day. My wife's grandmother passed, and it was tough, dude. It was tough. It was tough. She'd been fighting a long battle, and so, you know, yeah, I know, I appreciate it, Basic. Yeah, I personally wasn't that close to her, but she was a really sweet lady, and yeah, I wanted to share it with you guys because I appreciate this audience, and I know you guys. I wanted to be, for me, being a little human sometimes gets you off of the charts and stuff, but yeah, I wanted to tell you guys about that. It was a rough day. No, I appreciate it, Chris. Yeah, thank you, Tim. Thank you, Stuart. Thank you, Basic. It's gonna be interesting now. What going forward? Yeah, you know, I appreciate that, Pez. Yeah, thank you, my friend. Yeah, and there was another piece of bad news, but that's a little personal to the family. But I won't share that because that's really not. I don't want to betray somebody's confidence. It's more of a personal thing that happened to somebody, but it was another thing. I guess somebody passing away is also personal, but it was a little bit more personal to somebody one of the survivors. But yeah, man. And it's just like, what a terrible way to start the year. So, and it sucks too because my son's birthday's coming up next week, and it's like, I hate when a birthday and a death of a family are in the same month. Just personally, I just hate that because you remember the person that passed, and then you have a birthday, and it's like, I just want it to be happy and exciting. So, my grandmother passed last year, which actually, a little fun fact for everybody here, my OG crew, a little fun fact about me is what got me into trading was my grandmother passing. Because she left me a little bit of an inheritance. Very small. Very, very small. But I said, you know what? I'm going to do my grandma right. I'm going to take this money. I'm going to start learning how to grow it. And I did. I started. That's when I started options and everything. Okay, NQ, what you got for me here? I like this we're going to try out. If this wants to reverse, we're going to catch it. We're going to go a little heavy. NQ breakout, fake out. Give it a little bit of room. Trade at your own risk, but this is what I'm testing. If NQ wants to reverse on me here, now I appreciate it, Heather. Thank you so much. Good to see you. Good to talk to you. If this decides to reverse and melt, I'm catching it. It might not, but give it room here for a retest. Let it do its own little retest thing. So this is what I'm testing right now. So if it does melt, we're gonna catch like 150 ticks. This is the mouse. Second mouse gets the cheese. The second mouse gets the cheese. TikTok, can you see this? Yeah. This is my second mouse gets the cheese. Basically, what I'm looking for here is at NYSE Open. Let me start that over. All right, so at NYSE Open, we have a major breakout. You can see the green candle on screen. And often, the next candle, the 945 candle, is going to reverse. I call it the breakout fake out strat. Or the second mouse, right? The second mouse gets the cheese. Giving it proper room here for a retest, but if it melts, I'm going to catch it. I might, now that it's created a bottom wick, I might give it a little bit more room here. We'll see. This is a test. This is a trade that I'm testing. Cody, my man, welcome in. Welcome in. Yeah. Good to see you, man. And this right here, what you can see on screen, is why I gave it room. This is why I didn't just straight sell it. Give it room. If it continues, great. It's a way too overextended for a breakout trade. Way too overextended. And that's kind of what I'm banking on here. Is the fact that it's overextended. Yeah, fall out the window. Exactly. Right? The fact that it's overextended, I'm taking advantage of that. Now, it could continue here, and it looks like it might, which is fine. No big deal. No big deal. But often, the 945 candle, the 15-minute candle after the stock exchange reverses. And I want to catch it if it does. It might not. It might not. So we're just testing. We're testing right now. So we'll see. We'll see how it plays. But yeah, so anyways, thank you guys. You guys are the best. You guys are the best. Just wanted to share something more personal. And you guys know a little bit more about me now. The reason I got into trading was because I got a little bit of an inheritance. It was, like I said, it was small. It was very small. But I was able to start making money off of it right away. And I also wanted to like get my IRA and my 401k in the right spot. So I decided to, hey, you know what I do? I'm going to do a personal account, and I'm also going to do a retirement account at the same time. Trading options. In the beginning, I was buying options. Oh, I lost money doing that. I have it in my journal. I lost about $700 trading options, buying options. And then when I said there's got to be a better way, I looked into selling options only, not buying. And when I started selling options, I was like, that's it. I'm going to become a profitable trader this month, and this is how I'm going to do it. And so I switched to selling options. And since I did that, I've been able to not only recover that $700, but sail beyond it. If you guys want to check out my strategy for selling options, come to a Friday live stream. If you haven't been at a Friday live stream yet, you're missing out. You're missing out on a real way to make money in the market. And it's a guaranteed way to make money in the market. The only guarantee, or the only way the guarantee doesn't work is if the stock market crashes. Or if the ticker stock crashes. I was around 50 to 60%. Pez. Yeah, about 50 to 60% growth on an account in, like 6 to 8 months. You tried my NYSE code on Bullinox, it's not working. Maybe it's a Europe thing, don't know. Interesting. Try FV3NC. I'll put it in chat. That one I switched to a 45% code. That's 50K and 100K not working with the N1. That's interesting. It works for you. This one here is the other code I have. That code is currently for a 45%. I know that's not as good, but see if that one works, Tim. And if that one works, then that means do a process of elimination. That means that my other code is broken, but Basic said he's good. You're in a couple months, you're going to lean in? Yeah, good, Pez. Yeah, I think you're in a good spot, my friend. You're in a really good spot to take the money that you've made. And, you know, I won't say, you know, it's up to you, but how you want to announce whatever. But you know how much you've made. I can say that you'll probably be able to, if you were able to use it all, you might be able to turn it to about $3,000 to $5,000 per month, depending on market conditions. But you per month, that's a wage, that's a salary, $3,000 to $5,000 per month trading options. Just yesterday, I was getting notifications. I put it in the Discord. I was getting notifications that the contracts that we were putting in 2 weeks ago were closing. They're closing automatically because I set them up to close automatically, which means that money is secured in the account. When we sell a premium, it's an unrealized win, basically. Then, once the contract closes, you could consider it kind of like swing trading in a way, but it's not that. It's much different. When that happens, I'm gonna give this a little bit more room here, since it's dancing. When that happens, that profit then becomes realized. And then that money, because what happens when you sell a premium, the money hits your account. It stays there. You make $1,000 or whatever it is. It stays there. And you can wait the whole time for the contract to expire, which is fine. The chance of it expiring in your favor is 70 to 80%. You have a 70 to 80% chance of it winning in your favor. You're still going to win either way. Even if you hit the 25%, you'll still win, because you're just going to turn around and sell another premium. You're going to collect another premium. But if you want to close that time frame, like it's a 30-day contract, you want to close that time frame early, you put a buy to close order back in, which allows you to close it early. And you're using a little bit of the money that you made to do that. But compounding over time, instead of it being a month or 45 days, it might be 2 weeks. So you'll be able to turn the same contracts over in 2 weeks as opposed to 1 week. So that's it's a very complicated concept, but I'd be looking forward to anybody who's interested in that. I'll show you right now, and I've shown this before, what it's done for me. Let me pull it up real quick. It's just a screenshot from my P&L, basically. Where the heck is it? Come on. Help me out here. Okay. I'm going to be bringing a NYSE is not working. Okay, I'll look into that, Tim. Sorry, my friend. Let me see if I can get that fixed up. I wonder what's going on there. It's possible. Oh, I know why. They extended it for, that's why. Right. Let me get you a new code. Let me do it right now. They refreshed the code on the 6th, which was yesterday. That's why. That makes sense. I forgot it expires on the 6th. Let me get the new code. Standby text. They didn't give me a new code. Okay. All right. They did not give me a new code. That sucks. But I knew it. I knew it was going to happen. I knew that they were only going to give me the code for a certain amount of time. So the only code that's active right now is FV3NC. Unfortunately. That's a 45% discount, and I don't know if that's worth it. Alright, it doesn't look like NQ is going to do a fake out here, so I'm going to close this order. Normally it's pretty evident. It just reverses. So that strat did not work today. I'm going to bring up a picture on screen. It's going to be bright white. So dim your screens if you're laying in bed watching sideways like this. Dim your screens because that's coming in. Okay. All right, here it comes. 3, 2, 1. Here's my P&L from options. 100% gain, 100% strategy. This is my IRA. Should probably hide the account number. This is the IRA. Every green bubble there that you see, I know TikTok, you can't see this. I need to show TikTok, but oh, thanks for the daily heart me, Alex. Appreciate it. If you want to see this, come over to YouTube. TikTok's a pretty toxic place, so I probably shouldn't show it there anyways. On every green bubble is where I've closed a contract. I've taken unrealized profits and put it into realized. This was from April to October. But every green bubble is a profit bubble, basically. And as you can see, it's 100% win strategy. It's impossible to lose. I say impossible. The only way you can lose is if the stock crashes. But I'm only taking trades in good stocks, ones that are good, healthy companies, ones that are not going to be disappearing at any point. Appreciate the likes, Alex. You're also in the Elite Navigators crew in the Discord. So you've been elevated to the higher tier. And you have there's a special room for you guys now. I'll show you that. If you didn't know about that. There's a special private chat just directly for the Elite Navigators where you guys have a say in what happens in the Discord and what happens here on YouTube. So that's my way of keeping you guys included. Yeah, 100%. So I don't show that to flex. All right, I don't show that to flex. I promise you, that is not a flex. That's not a, hey, look at me, I'm the world's best trader. It's not. What it is simply just I'm putting my money where my mouth is, and I can back up what I say. I can back up exactly what I say. There's the proof that what I'm saying is true. And that's a screenshot directly out of my brokerage account, which is, that's my real live account. Gotta run, Stuart. Sounds good, man. Yeah, come back Friday, man. I'll show you. Last Friday we made like $3,000 on stream. NQ in the news? Yeah, it's in the news now. That's why I canceled that order. One of the reasons. What's going on, Puck? Good to see you, my friend. Yeah. So, Friday, we made $3,000 on stream. And this week, we've had a couple of contracts close out, which means that those are secured. And now we're able to open more contracts and make more money. You know nothing about options? I will help you, Stuart. Just ask Tim, ask Biblical, ask Algo what they think of what we've been able to do. There might be a bit of a reversal here. Wow, look at that news candle go. Just heard something on TikTok. What happened on TikTok? How can you learn? Just hang around, VJ. Just hang around, man. Show up every day. I'm here every day. I show up every day, except for days that I can't. Yeah, absolutely, Stuart. Sounds good. If there's a day that I can't, then I let my community know. There's the reversal. I canceled my order. There it is. There it is. There's the melt. There's the second mouse. Ah, I canceled my order. Crap. Oh, there it is. It is a news candle, which is probably a good thing that I canceled my order because it can whipsaw, and I don't want to get whipsawed. I don't want that. But there you go. There's the strat. There's your second mouse gets the cheese right there. That's my second mouse strat. On screen, live, in person, NQ. Playing its hand, showing its cards. That's it right there. That is it. Keep an eye out for this trade almost every day in New York Stock Exchange. Follow for more. Yeah, there it is, my friends. Got it. Didn't trade it. Oh, I should have kept my order in. Son of a bee. Better to not be in a trade and wishing you were in a trade than to be in a trade wishing you were out of that trade. But hey, we had it on screen. I'm going to make a short about that. We had it. Damn it. Ah, damn it. Ah, when a setup happens, you called it and you didn't freaking take it. Oh, nah, it's all right. It's all right. All right. It's a news candle. I shouldn't be trading news candles anyways. Damn it. It just stings a little bit. Thanks for the likes, Alex. Appreciate you, man. Yeah, there it is, though. I thought you don't trade fatigue. No, I'm good. I'm good. I'm not fatigued. I got plenty of rest. I'm plenty of rest. But that is one of my rules. Yeah, that is one of my rules. But yeah, I just got up. I work night shift, so no, you're good. All is good, crazy. All is good. No worries at all. Yeah. Yeah, we're good. We're good. So there, yeah, but see, if I was in this trade right now, because it's a news candle, this is why I don't trade news candles. That is really dancing a lot. My talk about becoming fatigued. Yeah, you took it at 25,640. We got scared and moved your SL to break even. Now you made $15. I think somebody earlier said they made 15 or 16 bucks. No, 67, Chris. You said you made 67 with the candles. Nice, dude. Good job. Yeah, and you just now made 15. So you're up a little bit. You're good. What do I do for work? I actually do airport stuff. Airport stuff. Like behind the scenes airport, on the airfield. I'm also a pilot by nature. I've done pretty much every job in aviation. I also fly drones for the airport. I do a bunch of cool stuff. Actually, if you're curious to see what I've done, here's my second YouTube channel. It's got 1.5 million views and only about 13,000 subscribers. IWM puts, nice. What's going on, my friend? How you doing, Wall Street? I do like trading IWM, and I do like trading SPY. Yeah. But I don't buy options, so I only sell. And you can't sell options on IWM. You can't, not the strategy that I use. Banking, yeah, I love options, man. I love options if you do it the right way. There's a wrong way to do it, in my opinion. But yeah, if you guys want to see me doing crazy stuff in an airplane, that link right there is my second channel. I'll put it in the TikTok for you guys as well. Yeah. I also have a Discord if you guys want to join. In the Discord, I actually want to show you that real quick. Let's see here. Stand by on that. Crazy alert. All right, in the Discord, real quick, you can see we've got stuff kind of cleaned up stuff on the left here. We've got the read the rules, and there's spammers and stuff you guys got to watch out for. Yeah, join the Discord, man. We got, where are we at now? We're at 40 something. We actually have this one. I want to tell you, I added 2 more boosts to the Discord, which means now you guys can get a crew tag. You see this right here? You can put the crew tag on your name next to my name. I'm doing a nitro trial. Also, you can see how my profile picture moves. It's got a little thing there. That's how you know it's me, because there's people that are trying to impersonate me. I look like this guy right here. Yeah, exactly. I got this thing going on right here. But you look, I changed the font, I changed the color, so you guys should be able to tell now if somebody's spamming you or not, or scamming you. But if you join up, there's this channel right here, Elite Quarters. This is for in the hierarchy here, you guys can read about the top tier support level. They're the highest non-admin / owner level right here. And then I got my OG crew, and then I got my collaborators and all that stuff too. So, but yeah, put the crew badge next to your name if you want to. And if you want to join up, we've got some good stuff in here. I recommend checking out basic training. I'm constantly putting stuff in here that will allow you guys to. Here, let me put the Discord link to learn options. I've got a bunch of information in here for you guys, free. 100% free. It's all yours. Learn it, leave it, take it or leave it. Take it or leave it. It's all you guys. Oh, I gotta change that. All right. Gotta change that on Stream Elements. It's kind of annoying. Anyways, there you guys go. There you go. Yeah, it's a I'm not profiting off the community. If some people are supporting the community, which I always appreciate, but to me, let's be honest, you guys, not shaming anybody, no judgment on anybody, but I don't know about you guys, but I think a lot of people are sick of buy my course, buy my mentorship, download my free PDF, join my email list, right? You guys are fatigued of that, sick of that shit. And I am too. So I was like, you know what? I'm going to be different. I'm just going to tell people how to do this. And the way I put it is, I'm just one hungry person showing another hungry person where there's a table of food. That's it. There's no catch. I don't care. If you don't trade options, it doesn't change my life. But if you want to learn the strategy and you want to make real money, join the crew, because we're definitely going to build something special. And that's all it is for me. I just want to build something special. I want to leave behind a legacy. That's it. That's it. Why is it not? I know I'm trying to post the Discord right now. It's giving me issues. Give me one sec, TikTok. It's also, yeah, give me a sec, VJ. Yeah, I don't know why the Discord link is so. That's a good dad joke. I think that's my favorite dad joke right now. Let me just give me one sec, Discord. TikTok. There it is. Okay, there's the Discord. If you join and you spam people, you're getting kicked. Don't do that. And trust me, I can see it. I have ways. I have ways of finding spammers. So don't do that. Don't spam people. Add to the community. This is why I say, add more than you take away. That's what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to add more than I take away. I'm trying to add value, and I hope I can kind of lead you guys a little bit into that mindset of being a giver, not a taker. Don't take that the wrong way, right? I'm talking about in value. All right, let's see. Christian, thank you for the gold medal, my friend. Appreciate the daily gifts, man. You guys, you and Alex are crushing it. Alex is smashing the likes. You're awesome, man. Appreciate both you guys. You guys are both both you guys, Christian and Alex, you guys are in the elite, elite navigators. So check that out. Check that out. I got a poll in there that I'd like you guys to vote on, if you don't mind. And I have where we might be doing a special unlisted stream specifically for the elite guys, for the navigators, for anybody who supported the channel. Basically, we might do a second stream just for you guys. I'm contemplating it. So do me a favor, vote on that. That's in your own channel. It's called the Elite Quarters channel, I think. It's in Discord. So check that out. Yeah. So that'll probably be, I'm thinking we'll be doing that pre New York on Wednesdays. Navigator Pirate, that's right. Well, you guys are helping us. I mean, you're helping the channel go in the right direction, right? So that's why I call you the navigators. You're keeping the ship running, and I appreciate it very much. But yeah, that might be a pre-New York thing. Like before New York Stock Exchange opens, we'll jump in a private call. We'll talk some options. Oh, I appreciate the money guru. Is that what it's called? The money? Or money gun. Appreciate the money gun, Christian. We'll talk options. And before New York Stock Exchange opens, you get your signals. No, I'm kidding. Now we'll try and set up. What I want to show you guys is, I want to show you guys how to set up your trades before the market opens, because you can take advantage of big price spikes before the market opens. And that's what I want to show you guys, and that'll be just for the supporters, the channel, which anybody can become a supporter. I'm never, like I said, I'm not asking you guys for that. It's just people are doing it on their own, so I wanted to give you guys some value. That's it. That's all it is. It's just me giving back to something that you decided to do. That's it. That is it. And of course, you get your name on screen too. Not on TikTok, because TikTok is like this big. It's like this big. Yep. Got to get that pink beard. Oh, I know, man. Yeah, that's for anybody who's new here. We have a thing going right now that we have a progress bar on YouTube. And if we hit that progress bar, which Tim, don't do it. Don't do it, Tim. Don't. You just sit right there, Tim. If we hit the progress bar, I will dress up in a full pirate costume and dye my beard pink. So if you want to participate in that, you can check that out over on YouTube. But any contributions here, any gifts and stuff here, go there too. So whatever. Problem with TikTok is they take 70% of any gifts that are sent. 70%. Can you believe that? 70%. Yeah. If equals when. Jeez, Tim. No, you guys. Don't tell Tim. No. Tim's already done too much. He's already done too much. Oh, I don't want Tim to be the one that takes me down when the bar is complete. Yeah. I will. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to film the process of the dyeing, and you guys are going to see the behind the scenes. I'll probably show that to everybody. That won't be that won't be exclusive or anything. But I have a full pirate costume. The hair, the jewels, the necklaces, the everything. And they'll talk like a pirate. Which I'm not that great at talking like a pirate. No, don't do it. Don't do it, Chris. Don't do it, you guys. Don't do it. No, don't do it. No, don't do it. You guys, don't do it. Oh, I don't want this to happen. Don't do it. You guys are going to embarrass me forever. Don't do it. Don't do it. No, you've already done too much, Tim. You've already done too much. Don't do it. Oh, God, you guys are killing me. You guys are killing me. No, you guys need to feed your families. Don't do it. Don't do it. I will say that all this that you guys have contributed will go back into the stream. I'm basically turning it around and pointing it right back at this stream to make it better. if you guys end up just blasting this thing, what I'll probably do, just Scout's honor, right? At some point in the next 3 years, we'll probably hit this goal, right? Even if it's 1 penny per day, that's fine. But I'll probably come up with a new goal. And I think the next goal is I'm going to do an 8-hour stream. An 8-hour stream. Oh no, I don't want to look. I don't want to look. I heard it. I don't want to look. Oh, I don't want to look. Oh. Oh my god. Tim, you dog. Oh god, that bar is turning pink. You guys are killing me, bro. Tim, thank you for the 20, you bloody legend. Tim's running the ship, man. Oh, good. I'm glad you're laughing. I'm glad I can be some entertainment value. Tim, you're killing me, bro. But genuinely, I appreciate it. I promise you, everything that you've contributed, not only is going to get the pink beard, but it's also going to, go back into the stream. I promise you that. Jeez, Tim, at this point, you're my freaking employer. At this point, you're my employer, dude. Do I need to file a W-2 with you, Tim? That's so funny. That's so funny. Oh, man. Yeah. You're killing me, bro. No, I genuinely thank you for the support, man. You've just definitely been awesome lately. But yeah, you know the scene in the Titanic when Rose and Jack are standing at the front and they're like doing free, right? That's you. You're at the front of the ship. You're just like, go that way, go that way, go that way, right? You're steering the ship. You're telling the guy behind the wheel, hey, turn left, turn right, turn left. You're crazy, Tim. Oh man, you're a bloody legend, Tim. Oh my gosh. Well, I promise to always deliver value, and hopefully you're able to absolutely crush it in options. And that's why I'm here, right? That's why I'm here. That's me showing up. Yeah, this is funny. I agree, man. Oh, you're killing me, bro. That's why I showed up. That's why I turned the camera on. That's why I set the alarm and get up and everything. Is because I want you guys to succeed. I want you guys to make money in options. And you can do it. Somebody said, I think Alex Hermosi said, do a bunch of shit and then go talk about the shit that you did. And people will be interested in that. And I was like, let me try it. And I did. I told you about with my grandmother. No, thank you, Tim. That's very sweet of you to say that. Yeah. Thank you very much, my friend. You know, you're very kind. I appreciate the generosity from somebody who is also that way. I can see that from you, and I say that I think that is an amazing quality to have. Same with you, Christian. Over 350%. Nice, dude. Done for the day, Wall Street. Sick, man. Christian, thank you for the daily gifts. Those are definitely contributing over to the YouTube as well. Christian's crushing it on the daily gifts. The daily gold medals. Is that a galaxy? Christian. Oh my gosh. Christian gave a galaxy, bro. Dude, thank you for the galaxy, my friend. Oh, galaxy's a pretty big gift on TikTok. All right, Chris. I said, yeah, I hope you don't mind me saying Christian. All right, what are we at here? I got to do the math here. Because it's split on TikTok. You did it, bro. You did a galaxy, man. Thank you. Thank you. Crap, you guys. I think we're like... I know we're within $20 of this goal. Son of a bitch. Where are we at here? On TikTok. Yeah. That's pretty sick, Wall Street. Over 300%. Nice. That's awesome. Yeah, that's cool. Some effective trading tools. Let's see. I have to do the math. I might have to do the math afterwards. But yeah, the galaxy, man, that's huge, man. Thanks for the galaxy. It sucks that TikTok, they nerf it so bad. They do. They take so much out of those gifts. It sucks. I hate it. They're so greedy. But whatever, you know. Now, good stuff, Wall Street. Nice work, my friend. Come to the stream on Friday if you want to learn the other side of options. You guys are gonna, yeah, we're gonna have a pink beard. Oh man. What we're probably gonna do is I'll need a couple of days to prep for it. So I got to think about when. If we hit this target, I will schedule the pink beard stream, basically. I'll let you know exactly which stream it's going to be because I still have to do the process. I'm still working during the week, so I can't just dye my beard pink and then go to work. Yeah. So what I have to do is I'm going to have to probably do it. It'll probably be a... Let me think here. A Monday and Tuesday stream. So I'm going to do it for 2 streams. The first New York and the second New York, because I'm completely off on those days. And then I've got to wash it out and go to work. That's how I have to do it. And if it doesn't come out, I'm going to have to shave it, which is fine. I can do that too. So that's what we're going to end up doing. So I'll do it for 2 days. Rashad, welcome to the crew. Appreciate you joining up. Yeah. Man, look at this price action. Maybe we'll get a nice reversal on gold here, but I don't know. Yeah, we will have a pink beard option stream. The goal might hit before Friday, and I didn't expect that at all. I really didn't. But we will probably... It could be this upcoming Monday. We'll see. I will make sure you guys know exactly what day it is. I do have... Tomorrow, I have to go to work early tomorrow. So I won't be able to stream tomorrow. They want me in at like 10 o'clock, which is basically now. I'd have to be at work right now. That's going to happen tomorrow. And then Friday, we'll do our options stream. We'll have the weekend off, which might allow me to prepare for this this goal. And then Monday would be... Let me just double check and make sure I don't have anything on Tuesday. Let me see. Because we'll make it happen. If something were to happen and I don't know, I had to go to work or I couldn't stream or something, I will make sure it happens correctly. Even if I have to redo it, I will make sure it happens correctly. Don't you worry about that. Yes, TikTok, I'm still here, schmuck. What's going on, Juan? Good to see you. Hola, ¿cómo estás? How you doing, my friend? You did take a short on ES and all green on the funded. Excellent. Yeah, I haven't looked at ES in a bit. Is there anything on Tuesday? Tuesday, I won't be here. We're actually doing a little family thing. That's right. This coming Tuesday, I will not be here. I won't be on stream. I have a family event planned. So, the 19th, which is Martin Luther King Jr. Day, and the 20th could be when it happens. Either way, you will know about it. You will not miss it. I want to give you guys 2 days of it. So, anyways, we'll see. See how it goes. Hopefully it takes another year before it happens. I don't want it to happen. Oh, man. Anyways. Anyways, we're having fun with it. Let me just check. Discord. Yeah, I got two votes on the in the navigators poll. So I think we have 2 more people that still need to vote. I do not know how to say that, Puck. Is that another language? We're definitely bearish on gold. This is tricky right here. We could get potentially something like this on gold right here. But it's counter trend. So I'm not sure about this. Nice bottom wick, which is nice. We'll see how this candle closes. Yeah, Tim is definitely steering the ship. Yeah. What I'll do is after this stream, I'll take the TikTok stuff and I'll add it to this goal up here. In fact, I might be able to do that now. Let me see on TikTok. I don't think it doesn't register yet. Okay. All right. 21,000 likes. Alex, thank you so much, man. You're crushing it. Okay, I think this is today. Yeah. I see. Okay. So we're adding this goal here as another $8.29. So we're actually at, oh my God, like 92 or 93. No. Let me do the math real quick. Jeez. I'm gonna have to go tell my wife, guess what? I need you to buy me pink dye. She's gonna be like, what? What are you talking about? Like, what? You don't watch my streams? We're at 92. Oh, shit. Oh, my goodness. All right, let me toss it in here. I can do it on the stream. Candle's gonna be paused for a second. So just give me a second here. It's a heck of a reversal on gold. I'm not feeling it though. It's a bit overextended. It's a little too big. What's that sound? Oh my God, Justin. Whoever Justin Andre is, I haven't met you before. Good to see you. Welcome in. I think that might be it, you guys. I think we just hit it. Justin, thank you for the tip. Oh my gosh. I'm about to add the Galaxy from Chris. Oh, here we go. You guys, you ready? Here it goes. Oh, that's Algo? Sick. Sorry that it says your name. I can't control that. Sorry, bro. I can't control that, but thank you, my friend. All right, let's see. Let's see if I'm pretty sure this tossed it over the edge. You guys ready for this? Let me put it in here. Oh my god. We hit it. Oh, we hit it. I gotta add Alex's as well. Oh, we did it. We hit the pink beard goal. You guys are such a W's in the chat. Pink beard, Captain Pink Beard is in. Oh, it's happening, bro. Oh, I can't believe it. Oh my god, what did I sign up for? All right, you guys. I will honor you. My goodness, I can't believe you guys did this. Oh, I cannot believe it. Justin / Algo, thank you so much for pushing us over the edge. And Chris as well, and Alex. I'm adding yours in now, Alex, from TikTok. Jeez, I can't believe this. I can't believe this. You guys are insane. You guys are the best community, honestly. Thank you, every single person who's donated to this goal. I'm gonna take that plus what Bolinox has given me for you guys using the codes, and then I'm gonna figure out exactly how I'm gonna make this stream better. Yeah, sounds good, Tim. If you guys have ideas for the next one, I'm probably gonna reset it or put a new goal up there, just to keep it on stream forever. It's not something that, eventually we're gonna have a lot of people in here, and people are gonna want to do super chats and all that stuff. It'll just be there, right? But we can have goals to work towards. This content will always be free. I promise you that. This is just a fun thing. I know I've said that like 6 times, but I want to make sure and reiterate that because it's important. Let me just check TikTok here. But yeah, we hit the goal, you guys. Yeah, we hit the goal. Let's see. Jennifer, welcome to the crew. Appreciate the follow. Yeah, all right. Let's talk Pink Beard here in a second. Let me just finish this. Last contribution from Alex. Oh, I can't believe it. Okay. That's from Alex there. Sweet. Appreciate it, Alex. I promise you I'm not faking these. I can just add them as they come in from TikTok, which is a nice feature. So that was like a accumulation of all of your daily hearts and stuff. I added them all together. Stream Elements, I think people are already joined the crew. I think they've decided, they've gotten together on the ship, and they've decided next time we port, we need to humiliate the captain. Look, no bottom wick on gold. Couldn't have taken that anyways. We're going to humiliate the captain. We're going to bring in something that he's not expecting. All right, let's talk Pink Beard. It's official. We hit the goal. It's official, you guys. It's official. I'm dyeing my beard pink for you on stream. I will get it as pink as I can. I don't know if I can get it, how pink I can get it, but I'm going for... This is my wife's shirt. Can I show this? I'm going for this color. Come on, get over here. What do you guys think? I'm going for this color. I have dark hair, right? So it's gonna really probably, yeah, I might have to soak it in. It's gonna take a bit. I might have to change the lights and stuff so it's like super white light so you can actually see it. So I'm gonna work on it. We're gonna see how I get it. I might have to test it, which will allow me to kind of film the behind the scenes process. Yeah. Oh, you know what? I just had a thought. All right, here's what I'm thinking. We're going to like a fun family event, like a fun center kind of thing. So nobody's gonna care if my beard is pink. So what we can probably do, I gotta check with my wife first. She's gotta know about this first. New elite color crew. Yeah, I could do that. I don't know if everybody would want to be. Algo, that reminds me, you're now in the elite section. You've now been upgraded to navigator. I need to do that immediately. Let me do that immediately. Give me 1 second here. I need to get you in. And if anybody, I should have everybody else in there. Yeah. Let me do that right now. Because I do not want to forget that at all. And that you get some perks. You get some perks from being in. You are in as well, Chris. You're in, Chris, Tim, Algo, pretty much everybody here on stream. What is that? What is that? Right now we have Alex, Chris, Nathan, Allison, and Tim. And now I'm getting ready to add Algo. Okay, get ready, Algo. Your name color is about to change. I could change it to pink. I don't know if you guys want pink, though. Right now it's purple, which is close enough, right? Maybe we'll do purple beard at some point. I don't know. But yeah, all right, Alex, check it. I mean, not Alex, sorry, Algo. I don't know if you prefer Algo or your real name. I won't use your real name, even though it's on screen. Whatever. But I can't change that. That's all automated. All automated. Ugh, can't talk. But anyways, Algo's good. Okay. I can't change this on screen, but you know it's you, right? You know it's you. So check your server tag. And oh my God, Rob putting. Oh, he's excited. Wow, you guys check the Discord, man. Oh my goodness. Rob, you are crazy, dude. I'm gonna show this. Look at what Rob did. Captain Pinkbeard. Let me show you guys on TikTok real quick. See that? Captain Pinkbeard? Is that what it looked like? Oh my God, what did I do to myself? What did I do? Oh. What did I do, side? What did I do? I can't believe this. All right, we're gonna I promise you we're gonna have fun. Yeah, it looks great. You did good. Yeah. Look, yeah, you guys got your purple tags there too, so I could change it to pink, but I don't know if everybody's gonna want that. I don't know if everybody's and it's really close to red, so it might not look good. We'll go with purple. Yeah. Nice work. You guys got me. Holy crap! Look at that NQ! What is happening NQ, dude? You just melting on me, son. See, NQ is so choppy right now, bro. Oh, look at this. All these wicks. Yeah, it looks good. Okay, so I won't look that good. That guy looked pretty good. Everything was pink. The only thing I'm going to have pink is with beard. The rest of the pirate costume is... I've got the hair. I've got the freaking everything. The jewels. I've got the shirt. Like, I've got the pants and the boots, but you're not going to see those. Yeah. Well, welcome to the navigator side, Mr. Algo. Yeah, you're in the Elite 8. That's right. Yeah. That's right. Yeah, I guess it does look like me, Puck, right? Oh, that's so funny. Yeah, that's so funny. Congratulations to you guys too for getting that goal. And I would say on Tim's behalf, thank you guys for helping him out. He was pulling the full weight there. So anyways, so here's what I was saying. Gotta talk to the wife. Gotta clear this from her first. now that we've hit the goal, really extreme elements, I think people know. I'm just gonna remove that. Stream elements, people already know this information. Okay, cool. Pirates of the NYSE. That's right. The NYSE. I'm not a very good, I don't have the greatest pirate accent. I have a really good Scottish accent, or at least I think I do. So when are we gonna do this? Let's try. I think what we'll do is Monday morning, which is the first NYSE, because I know people are in other parts of the world and it's Tuesday for you. And I will check the Discord for this. I'll make sure and verify it there because I got to check with the wife first. But Monday, pink beard. Tuesday, I'm going to go on my family event, but I'm not working Tuesday. And then Wednesday morning, I'll still have the pink beard. And we'll do the Wednesday morning. And then I got to jump in the shower, wash it out, shave it out, whatever I got to do because I'm going to work on Wednesday. That's the plan. That's the plan. This next week. But like I said, I got to verify it with the wife. But that's the tentative plan for now. We're going to do it. In fact, I'm going to text her right now to buy the pink dye. She's going to be like, "What?" Yeah. Okay, I just sent her a message. She's gonna freak. Awesome. Yeah. Oh, also, you guys in the Discord, you guys can use, if you have Nitro, you can also use, Rob got the number 3 tag. You guys can also use emojis. Like, I've got some custom emojis. Also, Algo, one of your perks is you get a custom emoji. I'll show you an example real quick. I know I'm talking about Discord a lot, but I'm not seeing anything on the market, so we're just yapping about Discord. On Discord, you can see here in the emojis section, if you have Nitro, you get some animated. Like this is Allison's right here. Right? She's got her own animated emoji. So Algo, you'll get one of those. All you need to do is send me some kind of picture, whatever you want, and make sure it's like a PNG. Make sure I can crop out the background, and then I can add an animation to it. It could be anything. It could be like this. Something I made for myself, which you guys can also use. You can use all of these if you have Discord Nitro. Like this. This is how I feel right now. Everything is fine. Everything is fine. Everything is fine. Yeah. So, check those out. I like this one. But anyways, check those out. Check those out. Yeah. Crazy, guys. Crazy, crazy. I still can't believe it. I'll tell you what, too. No, are you guys talking about on the little badge on YouTube? That's just a top fans badge. Basically, it's a YouTube thing. They don't, I don't know. It doesn't really make sense because it doesn't add anything. It's just whoever's basically commented the most. She said, "Oh my gosh, I can't believe it." And I said, "Yeah, I know. I know." Yeah, no, Chris, it has nothing to do with contributions. It is only for top chatters. Whoever's active in the chat is what those the little badge there, the number 1, number 2, number 3, the tag or whatever. I don't know. It's very strange. Tim kicked Tim out of yeah. In the top, if you look at the top, I don't know if you guys can see this on YouTube, but where it says top fans, it shows you who's talking the most, I guess. Eventually, that once we're, kind of in a different part of YouTube, what I mean by that is they enter you into the partner program, and then there's more perks that you can give your audience, like custom emojis and stuff, and all that. So that will be coming at some point. Let's see, when is Bullinox gonna give me that stuff? Bullinox did good. I'm still working on getting free accounts from Bullinox. Still working on getting accounts to give away from Bullinox. Hopefully that happens soon. I want to share a metric with you guys, a statistic that I'm really proud of. Where are we at here? My brain's cooked. I can't remember what I was going to type. Can anybody remember for me what I was going to type? I literally cannot remember what I was going to type. Oh yeah, okay, good. Gosh, don't get old, you guys. Don't get old. It sucks. Yeah. The older you get, the longer it takes to draw up memories. Short-term memory is firing. I work too much too, my friend. I work too much too. Burning the candle on both ends, I work 9 to 5, and I also work 5 to 9. I'm also doing that. Yeah. What was that sound? Miguel. Jeez, my throat. Miguel, welcome to the crew. Appreciate the follow. You want to start day trading? Any recommendations? I recommend you watch this stream every day, because we day trade every day. And if you want to take trades with me or see how I do it, you're more than welcome to. Right now, man, my throat. Right now, I don't see anything on the market, but we almost had a setup this morning. It was really close. Look at NQ. Jeez. I don't want to... dude, I feel you, Chris. Yeah, the boxes all day. I know I lived a life of boxes. If you guys check out my YouTube channel, I was a cargo pilot for a while. My other YouTube channel, I was a cargo pilot for a while. I used to fly boxes. And we always used to say, it's not the greatest, but at least boxes don't complain. That's one thing. You get to work by yourself. You deal with boxes, but at least you're not like sitting behind a counter taking customers' orders or something and dealing with people. So there's that, right? Lots of RAM usage. Yeah, that is correct. Burning the candle on both ends. Your 9 to 5, this is the thing. Your 9 to 5 pays you while you're there. And your 5 to 9 pays you while you sleep. And I'm working on my 5 to 9. That's interesting, Juan. That's very interesting. I hope you're able to... Yeah, I hope you're able to reach that goal. It's a tough decision to make that decision when you're not profitable yet. Tiger, Mountain King, how's it going? My My dad is in the chat, you guys. My dad is here. Say hi to my dad, Tiger Mountain King. How do? Oh, appreciate you being here, Dad. Oh, that's so funny. My brother-in-law came in the other day. Yeah, dad joke. My dad joined the chat. That's so cool. Yep. That's funny. That's really funny. Good to see you, Daw. Good to see you. There you guys. Say hi to my dad, Tiger Mountain King. So cool. Yeah, Dad, I don't... I guess this is a good moment, right? We had a vote, and I lost the bet. I lost the bet. What I mean by that is everybody in chat here contributed for me to humiliate myself live on stream. I'm dyeing my beard pink. I felt like, what? Yeah, we're doing it. It's a community driven thing. Everybody contributed to it. Yeah. Please don't shame me for dyeing my beard pink. It's all fun. It washes out, right? But I'm gonna dress up like a pirate and dye my beard pink. But everybody on screen here contributed to that goal. So it was fun. We just put it up there and they went for it. So all right, we're doing it. I got a good community here. They're a lot of fun, and we're just watching these candles, trying to get our daily trades in, and there's nothing so far. No good candles so far. Yeah. Thanks for saying hi to my dad. I never thought that would happen. What's going on, Miguel? And Nay, welcome. Appreciate the follow. You'd like to join? Yeah, you know what? Miguel, come by on Fridays. I'm talking to TikTok. Yeah. Fridays, I'm doing options. You want to make real money in the market, you go and trade options. We're doing options. We're selling options on Friday. Friday are my favorite days because I will show you guys how to make $3,000 like on stream. I will show you how to do it. And I'll show you how I do it. That's so sweet of you, Tim. Thank you so much. Yeah, thank you so much. Yeah. You want to get your girlfriend out of work, Tim? That would be good. Yeah, that would be good. Algo, I don't know what that means by you being sore from yesterday, but... Oh, it's from an L. Okay, from a loss. You lost a trade. Got it. Yeah. For options, I recommend starting... Probably the least you can do is about $3,000 cash. But it's going to take a long time. It's going to take a long time with that low. Like I said, I'm trading my IRA, my retirement account, which you guys will see on Friday. I'm not showing my actual retirement account. We're doing simulated trading, but I'm doing the same trades in my IRA account. And I have a personal account as well. And those accounts are growing. We've grown those accounts. My personal accounts have grown by like 50 to 60% this year. Yeah. And like I told you guys earlier, that I was able to kind of do that based on what happened with my grandmother. So that was kind of the fuel. That was the jump start. So yeah, about $3,000 to $5,000 in a personal account, and you can start growing that. The only way you lose is if the stock market crashes. I promise you that. Or you make a big mistake and whatever. You got to follow the system exactly. Yeah, we'll get there. Just need to be patient and keep learning. Futures, what we see here on screen. Dad, you've never seen this. This is the first time you've seen this. This is basically trading. We're trading gold. If you see right here, this says MGC. This is the gold's stock market. We're trading gold's stock market and NQ. And we take little scalp trades off of these candles here. It's much different than what I've shown you and taught to you. I I've shown my dad options too. It's much different. Different side of the market. This here has a lot more risk in it. And what we're trading right here is through a prop firm account, which is basically a simulated account. And if you're a good trader, then they basically make you an independent contractor and they pay you. So it's kind of like a prove yourself, can you be a good trader thing. This right here is all simulated. It's not real. I don't know if you guys knew that or not, but prop firms, until you move to a live account, it's not real money. They take trades, they watch your trades, and they pay you as an independent contractor to do it. So if you could turn trading into a full-time job by doing this right here. So it's much different. Hope that helps too on TikTok, some of the questions that were asked there. Yeah. Yeah, it's good stuff. But I would say Juan, I would not rely, just my opinion. I'm not a financial advisor, I'm not a broker, but I would say be careful with not having a 9-to-5 until you're consistently profitable. When you're consistently profitable, then you can make that, that's when you should be making that decision. Don't rely, most traders never reach that goal. Most traders never do. It's a very, 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 very narrow path. Yeah, my dad in the Discord. I don't know if my dad even knows what Discord is. Probably not. Yeah. I think Chris, Tim, you guys, you hang around for the option streams. And like I said, I'm considering doing one midweek just for you guys. You'll get exposed to options twice per week with me on stream instead of just once. That's a perk you're gonna get by being in that elite navigators group. So you guys are already in. Just there's a poll in there. Just vote for me if you don't mind. You have your own like navigators quarters area to chat. But yeah, burning the candle on both ends, right? But we live in a world now where if you don't work hard, you're probably not going to make it very far. I guess it's always been that way, right? Oops. Oh, I wanted to show you guys a metric. I got distracted. Happens a lot. Okay. Check this out, you guys. It doesn't work. Hang on. Nope. All right, hang on. That didn't work. Let me see here. I like what NQ's doing. Let's see if it has a continuation. Why? No. Get off the screen. Get off the screen. Let's see if NQ does a retest here. I'm gonna look for a proper retest on NQ. No capture. Okay. Check it out, you guys. We've hit over 250 subscribers, almost 30,000 views on the channel. That's just on YouTube. I've got about that on TikTok as well. Look at that. It's insane. I just wanted to say thank you, everybody, for the views. Look at that. That's insane. I guess people aren't subscribing, though, because I could have 30,000 subscribers. But I don't. Most people are pip and dip. Come in, take a look, and leave. Yeah. There's the Discord link. We already have it. Stream elements. Yeah. I'm gonna pin it and then remove it. Frank Bruno, welcome to this channel. Welcome to the crew. Thanks for the sub, my friend. Well, thanks for coming in. Yeah, if you guys watch the stream and are not subbed, would appreciate the sub. Yeah, welcome to the crew. I hope you get much value out of the channel. That's my goal. Yep, keep doing what we're doing. Yep, exactly. That's right. That is right. Yeah, let's see. What did you say here? Vote in the elite. Yeah, vote. That's correct, Tim. That's why I wanted to offer it to you guys. I want you guys to get on options quicker. And once a week is not enough. It's enough to monitor your trades, but to learn the strategy, you need more exposure. Yeah, if you have enough votes, we'll do it. There's very few people in that group. Pretty much everybody you see on screen here, except for the other guy. Sali is very cool. I haven't seen him in a while, but he is. Either way, everybody else on screen there is in that group. I still can't believe that entire bar is pink. But anyways, I just wanted to just properly say thank you guys for the views. It's insane. I've only had this channel since November, and that's a lot of views in 3 months. What is it, 2 months, 2.5 months or whatever. But that's what you get with consistency, adding value, caring about your community. And I'm not flaunting that, but I'm like, if you guys ever want to grow a YouTube channel, this is some of the things that you need to do. You need to put your community first. Bring value. Show up with lots of value beforehand. Understand what your community wants, understand what they need, understand how they speak, understand their language, understand what they're already looking at. My goal is to provide solutions for pain points. I'm giving you guys all the secrets, all the YouTube secrets, all the sauce. Knowing and understanding your audience. If I can understand an issue that you guys have before you know you have that issue, then I can bring you the proper solution. And that's just business 101. So that's part of my goal. It's not easy, trust me. There are going to be times that I have no clue, and I'm going to ask you guys. Like, hey, what is going on right now? And see what happens. Yeah, different clientele, exactly. Stay cool, and don't be... Yeah, there's a lot of streamers that are just... I can't watch them. In my opinion, they're just too childish. Like, grow up, man. Be an adult. You know? But I do try to stand out and be different. I promise you one thing. When somebody watches a short of me in a full pirate costume with a pink beard talking about market analysis and price action as if I'm not even wearing that costume, that is going to stand out. That is going to stand out. We have a term called the purple cow term in business. And what that means is if you're driving by a field and you see a purple cow amongst the other brown and white cows, you're going to stop. And you're going to be like, what? Why is there a purple cow in that field? That's what you got to do. And I've always been able to do that. because I have a bit of an eccentric personality. If you guys haven't figured that out already, I also don't treat my audience like children. You know, there's a lot of people that do that. I don't understand that. I've never understood that. You'll never see me, even if somebody asks a really weird question, or you see somebody that just is off the charts, or it's just whatever. I'm not gonna sit there and scream at you. Like, I don't know. I just don't understand it, or say bad things. Being somebody who's been on that side of it, yeah, I'm not doing that. I have more respect for people. 42,000 likes. Holy crap. Wow, that's insane. On TikTok. Alex, you're the man. Yeah. Well, then there's a thing too. Your vibe attracts your tribe, right? So you guys, obviously, there's something about whatever it is, my personality or stuff that you guys like, and that's why you show up every day. And my commitment to you is to continue to show up every day, right? Consistency matters. Yeah, you're the best, Alex. You're the like king. You're like on the ship, right? We've got this part of this being different too, is we have this pirate theme, right? I like pirates and stuff, and but I like to think as Alex as our PR guy on the ship. He's the one who, when we port, gets off and is like, hey, have you considered proper ship insurance? You need to insure your wood planks. So he's in town doing business. He's my PR guy. He's in town doing business while all the other lads are chasing ladies of the night. Oh man. Yeah. Alex is out socializing and connecting. He's like smashing the like button. He's trying to bring in the views. Oh, I love it. It's so funny. Everybody's got their own little role. Algo is our silver surfer. And now big boy traders are trading silver. And I have to say, Algo, you're the first one. You're the first one. I don't think Dan realizes that. I don't think he knows. Yeah, you're on it, man. He's checking silver out on stream. I thought that was sick. Anthony Wilson, appreciate the follow. Welcome to the crew. Yeah. Yeah, TikTok is happening. As much as YouTube. Yeah, that's right. That's right. Yeah, is silver... What is silver at right now? I want to look. And last I checked, it was in the 70s. Gold right now is at 44. I still can't believe gold has gone up this much. I remember when gold was 1,200. And my dad remembers when gold was probably 200. Right? And now it's at 4,400. It's insane. So, silver is at 77. Last time I bought real silver, it was at 30. It is going down, though. It's kind of fun to watch. Dad, I don't know, you probably haven't done much of this, but it's fun to watch the value and the price of silver and gold and all that stuff in the markets. It's just, it's different. It's interesting. You can really see what it's done. And right now it looks like it's coming up, having a bit of a pullback, and potentially doing what's called head and shoulders. But that's not good, because head and shoulders is a bearish trend. Here's your left shoulder, here's your head, and it's about to form a right shoulder. And then after that, it will go down. Yeah. Not saying that is exactly what's going to happen, but historically, if it is going to do the head and shoulders thing, that's what it'll do. If not, then it'll just continue going up. Hard to say. It's hard to say. You can't predict it. You can just look at trends and kind of get an idea, like, what's it done every day? Like, if I look at the day candle here, silver has been going up. It's quite a bit of a spike here. Got up to 80, but then investors took profits and it went back down. That's the thing, too. When they start saying, buy gold, buy silver, that means they're getting ready to sell it and you're going to lose. Don't listen to the news. If the news says buy gold, they're about to sell it. They are going to sell it because they want you to buy it, and then they're going to dump it. And after they dump it, it's going to come all the way back down. They're going to make a ton of profit on the way down. And then when it's low, they're going to buy it again. Exactly. When they say sell silver, sell gold, they're getting ready to buy it. It's the opposite. They want you to sell it off, right? Supply and demand. They want you to put more of the supply out there. Then they're going to buy it up when it's low. And they're going to pump it all the way up, just like right now. Yeah, keep yourself safe. Understand that these people that are doing this are in it to make money. They don't care about you. They'd say buy gold. They don't care. They don't care about your personal finances. They don't care. They're greedy. They only care about themselves. And that greed drives the market. And then fear drives the market. It's not good. Yeah, I hate it. I absolutely hate it. Got ourselves a short there. Pump and dump. Yeah. Yeah. China's been buying vast amounts of silver. Yeah, that's right. Which has caused the rise. Yeah, so what do you think China's doing it for us? No, they don't care about us. They're trying to make whatever they're trying to do. But making money is probably their objective. Anyways, silver. Oh, that's the daily. That's the daily candle. I think I just heard something. Heard something on TikTok. No. Hey, what's going on, Chris? The Bullinox code, I gotta change it on screen. The Bullinox code on screen has expired. However, there's another one, but it's only 45%, which isn't the best. 45% is better, but if you want it, I can put it on screen. I'll give it to you. Unfortunately, the 91% code has expired. Sadly. This one here is that's the code for the Bullinox prop firm 45. I gotta change that. Thanks for reminding me. Discord. All right. I'm gonna try and keep the Seth NYSE code for the next one. So just keep that one to the side. The Seth NYSE will come back at some point. Right now, they're done with their discount code sale. So I think we're gonna have to wait until we get a new one. Let's go back to watching gold. You can also trade platinum. I don't know if you guys knew that or not. Platinum, copper, gold, all your precious metals. Yeah, you bet, Chris. Good to see you. First time chatting. Good to see you, my friend. How you doing? How's trading going? What has been a difficult or I would call a pain point for you? What's been something that you just can't fix? Maybe I can help out. I offer that question to anybody. Man. Daily gold is red on the daily. 4-hour candle. You're the real Chris, yeah. Chris with a C and Chris with a K. It's weird, I have Chris's with C's and K's, and I have Alex's, and then there's only one Tim, though. Four-hour looking pretty bad. I think we'll do about About 15 more minutes on the stream. Yeah, about 15 more minutes. If we don't see a setup, then we get no trade today, and that's fine. There's nothing wrong with it. Like I always say, 0 to 2 trades per day. 0 including, and I learned that from my mentor. 0 to 2 trades per day. Price action. And that's the thing too, you guys. You want to learn price action, you only have to do 2 things. Like I said, I'm not dissing anybody else. People want to sell courses, they want to sell mentorships, fine. But you can learn price action for free. You carry a thing in your pocket every single day that it literally has the history of the world. The history of the world is right here in your pocket every single day. You can use AI to teach you price action. It won't be perfect, I promise you that. You're still not going to fully get it. If you want to go deeper into somebody's course, by all means. Or you can show up and watch streamers like this one and see how it happens. Once you learn the strategy, you can watch a streamer actually implement it. And I'm not the only one, right? I'm not the only one. But that's what I can offer. But take trades at your own risk. That keeps me safe. Let's see here. Support, resistance. Possible new support there. Resistance. Got some range there. Some range there. Price action is looking pretty bad today. Pretty bad. Not good. What do we got going in the Discord? TikTok. I'm going to update this on stream as well. Dang, Alex, still going with the likes, man. They're sick. There's 48,000 likes on TikTok. Oh, if I could only get that many on YouTube, that'd be awesome. Let's see, Bullinox code. Let's change that. On the TikTok. Also need to change the pink beard gold. I feel bad Alex wasn't here. Allison, my mod, was not here to see the pink beard gold. I might have to let her know that we hit it though. She's gonna be really excited. 100%. Can't believe it. Busy in the Dissy? I'll check it out in a sec. I'm just updating something on TikTok. Good old Discord. All right, let's see here. What is that? Nice. That's cool. That's really cool. That's cool that it gave you a little screen there, Algo. I'm going to show that. Algo got a... Here, this guy that you just donated to is legit. And he's not a scammer. Look, it actually has top weeklies. That's cool. Huh. Sick. Thank you again, my friend. Thank you for everybody who's done that. Like I said, and I will continue to say it because I think it's important. Oops. Is that all that is going right back into making this stream better. Yeah. I have 2 moderators. I want to gift something to them first. I want to take care of them first for their hard work. I've got Inazuma. They may say no, but I'm at least going to offer for them to take a little bit so that way they can, you know, they do some good stuff for the channel and the Discord. I want to take care of them. And then from there I'm going to decide how I'm going to put it back into the stream to make the stream better. And I'm going to have to really have a sit down and figure this out. Because I want it to stay right here. That's where I want it to stay right here to make this better. I've got all the equipment I need. I got a great camera. I've got a great microphone, screens. Like, I don't need any of that stuff, right? So I got to figure out how I can upgrade it. Upgrade the, like, right now I've got, I've upgraded Discord. So that way you guys can have the crew badge. Stuff like that, you know. It might even be used to edit and make more shorts or whatever. Dude, Stream Elements, why are you spamming? Sorry for the spams on Stream Elements. It's automated. I removed the one. Yeah. That's pretty sick. That's pretty sick. Which get I'm reading the elite quarters right now. I'm just curious. What are you voting on? Yep. Let's see. It should be up top there. Do you guys... Let me pin it. It should be... In the elite quarters, the poll is pinned. You guys see it? Wow, you guys are going to town in there. I gotta catch up with you. You got it. Okay. Chris, the stream. You're getting Chris set up. Okay, the stream that I'm, depending on how this vote goes, that's gonna be before 9:30. It will be pre-New York Stock Exchange, so it'll be maybe an hour before, maybe around 8:30. I'm not sure yet, but it'll be before. So you guys are gonna get me before everybody else does on that day, on Wednesday. That's gonna be, wow, look at gold having a pop here. I hope that makes a little bit more sense, Chris. And yeah, you need level 1 options. Yeah, Tim is really, he's on it. He knows what he's doing right now. It's good. Thanks for helping him out, Tim. Yeah, just make sure you delete your personal information. Holy crap, Stream Elements. Okay, chill, dude. Too much. I miss Allison. I want Allison back. I want my mod back. He's better. Tomorrow I have to work early, so I won't be able to jump on stream. Tomorrow. It's just tomorrow. I gotta go to work early and do some. I gotta do some drone flying. Actually, they're making a video at work and they want me to come in and film it with a drone. So I'm gonna do that. Are you out, Rob? You come back Thursday. Wait, yeah, right? Thursday. Hang on a sec. Friday. Come back Friday. Friday, the last day of the week. We're doing an option stream. So come on back, Rob. But yeah, thanks for coming. Take care of yourself, my friend. Good to see, Chris, that you're getting set up on the Thinkorswim. Yep, looks good, man. Yeah, what Tim said in there with the chat GPT, they'll help you set it up. That's what I'm saying, man. Information's free. You guys, it's free. You should not be paying for information. You really shouldn't. Now, you still have to watch a streamer or somebody, bring the personality and the human element and answer questions and stuff, but in order for you to get set up, man, use AI. It's a free tool. It's free information. Take advantage of it. Yeah. Sounds good, Rob. See you soon, my friend. Yeah, it looks like you guys are figuring it out in there. Good stuff. I like to see it. Allison said, oh no. Oh dear. She's part of the problem. I'm kidding. Yeah, when it comes to Chris, you just want to focus on options. Knowledge level, I mean, you guys have been watching this, and if you learn from AI, when your knowledge level, I'm going to show this. There's no personal information on here, so I'm going to show this real quick. Your knowledge level here, you can be honest about it, right? Put whatever, I don't know what it is, low, medium. If you have a level here, they pretty much, I haven't seen anybody not get level 1. They really want to know, what are you doing like level 2? And if you understand stocks and bonds and stuff, that helps your case as well. Tim should be an admin. Well, it's up to Tim. If that's something Tim wants, then I would say we can have that. We can definitely have that conversation. If he's already contributed so much, so I would never ask that of him. But if he has something he wants to contribute, then yeah, I'm open to that. That's what Allison did. Allison asked me if she could be a mod, and I said that's interesting because I was thinking about you as a future mod, but I wasn't going to ask you for probably a year because that's a commitment. And it would be kind of weird if Tim came on and then I was able to give him a portion of the contributions which he contributed. So I'd basically be giving Tim his contributions back. I don't know how that works. I don't want to know how that works. Discord. That's the money loop. Yeah. Figured it out. You did. Yeah, you figured it out, Tim. Yeah. Yeah, it's going to be interesting. It's going to be interesting. But hey, I mean, right now you're helping people out. You're helping Chris out, and I think that's cool, Tim. Nice work, man. That's what I like about you, man. You're a very generous person. You definitely care about others above yourself. I can see that. And I've only known you guys for a short amount of time. So I can see that, and I honor that, and I respect that. What did Seal say here? Oh, that was on YouTube. Okay. That's a lot of information. I see what you did. Yeah. I see what you did, Tim. Okay, cool. Yeah, that's your guys' channel. That's your guys' channel to do whatever. I'll be in there. It won't be me like controlling that. Whatever. That's for you guys. You guys can talk to each other, help each other, find new ways to humiliate me on stream. That's your guys' channel. You guys have fun with that, and nobody can see that. Only the people in the purple in the navigators group can see that. Of course, mods and myself as well, my admins. But whatever, they're separated from that. But everybody else, they don't have access to that channel. That's just for you guys. But that doesn't mean it has to always be that way. So let's see, how's the poll doing? 3 votes. Okay, cool. We'll give it some time. Well, we gotta get the pink beard thing done first. We gotta get that done first, and then we'll get into the options maybe next week. I'm not sure. I'm not sure how we'll do it. We're definitely doing options on this Friday. Let's look. NQ. Is that worth taking a trade on NQ here? Yeah, we need a proper retest. Honestly, need a proper retest on both gold and NQ. Not a bad potential trade on NQ. Reversal here. I like it if we can get a good retest. Same with gold. A little bit of a breakout here. But not much range. Yeah. I think NQ does look better. You guys notice that sometimes? You'll see where you have two tickers have a setup at the same time. Let's take a quick look at ES. Oops. Same thing. ES looks better than NQ. Dude. Let's look at ES and NQ. NQ doesn't have this top wick right here. See this top wick? Look at the two. We have a level here, but on ES we have this nice long top wick right there. And a bit of a reversal candle. Inverted hammer, whatever you want to call it. I like ES a little bit better. And there's more range. There's more range for this trade. About 25 ticks, which is about the equivalent of about 100 ticks on NQ. 150 ticks. Either one. I think either one will play out. Let's watch it for a few minutes. I said I was only going to do 15 more minutes, but I want to watch this for a few minutes. NQ is at the moment looking a little bit better. The current candle is looking a little bit better than ES. ES is here and NQ is over there. Because ES right here is almost refilled that entire red candle. Which is not bad for a retest. If ES flips red, NQ will probably also flip red, and we can take a trade. Yeah, ES, which is the S&P 500. S&P 500 on ES, NQ is the NASDAQ. Let's see what happens. I just don't want to get stuck in a trade for an hour. This is the one thing I don't want. I'm getting close to lunchtime chop too, so I'm a little skeptical. Also, look at ES. ES is moving sideways. NQ is moving up. It's fairly bullish. That's another consideration here. NQ is bullish. ES is moving sideways. ES might be the better play. Long bottom wicks down here. Tell you what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put an order in on ES real quick. I'm gonna watch just ES. If ES wants to flip red, we'll take a sell. Signal inbound. We'll probably ride it down to here. I'm gonna take a quick bio break. I'll be right back. Get order filled. I'm gone. called me. ES is S&P 500. S&P 500. Compared to gold, it is a totally different animal. Yeah, totally different. ES is traded off of the S&P 500, the top 500 companies in the world. Apple, Tesla, Coca-Cola, you know, Microsoft, Meta, all that stuff, right? And then gold is gold. And what I like about ES and NQ is they're very specific to the NYSE. Like they do the best when they're in the NYSE because a lot of them are you know, being traded. SPX 500, I believe, is it should be, but I think that might be maybe that's an ETF. I'm not 100% sure. I think that might be each broker has their own version of the S&P 500. Like Fidelity does. I think SP is Charles Schwab, so it should be the same. It's their own version of it. There's also SPY and QQQ. Those are also the S&P 500. Yeah. Yeah, exactly, Tim. You check the candles. Okay, cool. We'll see. I'm giving this timer as 1 more minute. See that? If it does, if this doesn't flip in the next really 30 to 45 seconds, then I'm canceling this order. And I'll probably jump off after that. But before I go, I will say my propers to my peeps, and then I'll leave you guys with a question of the day. So don't jump off yet. Don't leave yet. 30 seconds. Doesn't look like it wants to reverse. And I hate being in a trade in the last 5 minutes. Getting into that lunchtime chop. 15. Okay, I do not want to be in this trade anymore. Yeah, no good. No good. All right, no good. That setup did not happen. I was looking for the reversal here. The reversal and the push would have filled this wick, would have come down, we would have gotten out about right here. That would have been a good trade. I'd have been happy with that trade all day long. All right, at the end of this video, like when this video is over, come back to it or find another video on the channel and answer this question, my question of the day. Same technique for GC? Yeah. Yep, exactly. Correct one. Yep. Okay, so I'm going to put this question, I'm going to pin it as a question on this video. When this video posts, after I hit end stream, like refresh it, you'll see there'll be a comment. It'll be a question of the day comment. It'll be the first comment. Go in there and answer this question so I can, the reason I'm asking this question is so that I can help you. The question is, you can answer it here, but I really want it as a comment on the video because this live chat right here, this disappears. It goes away. All right, here's the question. What's your biggest pain point in trading right now? Can be anything. Pain point meaning what's your biggest issue? What's the biggest problem? Like, what do you need to get fixed? Pablo, welcome to the crew. Appreciate the sub, my friend. Welcome in. Welcome in. So if you don't mind not getting paid, yeah, no kidding, Tim. Well, that's because you keep giving money to me. You keep throwing money here. Oh, it's funny. I'm like that wishing well that you're always walking by and you're dropping a penny in, right? And it spirals around and it goes down the middle. That's what you're doing. That's why. That's what's happening. So funny. So funny. You gotta stop throwing your pennies. So anyways, if you don't mind, answer that question. Look for the first comment. I'm basically gonna post that in there. And think of it like this. The answers are data for me. Data. Allow me to bring more value to the stream. That's what I'm looking for. I'm looking for the ability to bring more value and more answers. I might not be able to, but I will do my best. So that's data for me. So I really appreciate everybody and my lurkers. If you don't mind, please just answer that question after the stream. Just want to shout out everybody that was on the stream today who said a comment. Heather, thank you very much for being here. Cody was here for a little bit. Appreciate you, Cody. The new Chris with a K, welcome in. Good to see you. Appreciate you being here. Puck, appreciate you as well. Good to see you every day, my friend. Basic, Pez is number 2 guy. Maybe number 1. I'm not sure. Orem, I don't know where Orem is in that hierarchy. But Basic was here for a bit. Appreciate you, Basic. Edu.rdk. Appreciate you as well. Good to see you every day. Pez was here for a few minutes before he fell asleep. Good old Pez. Crazy was here. Thanks for coming in, Crazy. Tiger Mountain, which is my dad, was here for a while. Might still be here. But Dad, thanks for all your support and appreciate that. I know I make you proud and that makes me feel good. But thanks for coming in and saying hi. It's cool. Stuart as well. Good to see you, my friend. I know you're off. Juan as well. Juan, I am taking a trip here soon, and I'm starting to learn a bit of Spanish. So more about that in the future. Alex, as always, Alex, TikTok and on YouTube, you crushing it, man. 62,000 likes, dude. Your thumb has to be so sore, man. Thank you, Alex, man. Alex is my number one. You're my PR guy, right? You're just punching that like button. I appreciate it. I really do. 63,000. You guys, Alex has gotten the TikTok up to 63,000 likes. He's literally tapped the screen 63,000 times. Crazy, dude. You're crazy. But I appreciate you. You definitely don't have to do that, but I do appreciate you. Hi, Rob. You were in for a bit. Appreciate you as well. Christian, the other Christian, welcome to the crew, as well as welcome to the Elite Navigators side. I hope you get a lot of benefit from that. Biblical as well. Good to see you. Blessings and salutations. Stream Elements, I guess, is a proper chatter. Number 2 is Algo. Algo, welcome to the crew as well, the Elite Navigator crew, helping steer the ship, along with Christian and with Alex. And the number 1 is Tim. Tim, thank you for everything, man. You pushed this pink goal the furthest, and you're the primary reason we're going to have a pink beard on stream. We're going to do it. Plan is next Monday, first New York of the week, but I got to talk to the wife. But for everybody who contributed, your name should be on screen here, and you have access to the Discord, the Elite Discord side, Bacon Strat. That's right. You guys have fun with that. Enjoy that. If you're new to the Elite, make sure you send me some kind of picture that you want to be turned into a custom emoji on Discord. I'll make a static one, so it could be like your face or something if you want. It's up to you. And I'll also make one that has some kind of animation. And just tell me what kind of animation you want. Look through the list of animations. If you're like, oh, I want the one with the fire behind me, or I want the one with the music, or I want the one with the jail, whatever it is, right? Just kind of let me know what you want. But make sure the picture is, I'm able to actually like edit the picture. If it's like, if you look at Alex's profile picture, it's just a picture of him. I can cut out the background around Alex, right? Just for an example, if I wanted to use that picture, and I'm able to use that. right? Even with like high Rob, you know, I could do something like that. So algos, yours looks like Mega Man World. I might be able to do something with that. I don't know yet. I might, if that's what you want to use, but you just let me know. So awesome, guys. I will be back Friday for options stream, and we are going to crush it in options. We're gonna go through the P&L and see what we've done. Yeah, good luck talking to her about the pink beard. No kidding. Yeah, no kidding. That's gonna be fun. That's gonna be a lot of fun. That's the first conversation I'm having when I get off the stream. Yeah. But yeah, I always hope to bring you guys transparency, flexibility, reliability, and honesty. And I really appreciate you guys, and I want to bring you value. So you guys are good community, man. I really love this community. It's growing, and it's been awesome. It's been awesome. So I'm looking forward to Friday a lot. So awesome. Thank you guys. I'm signing off. Feel free to chat with me in the Discord. I watch the Discord all day, so you guys still have access to me after the stream ends. You just won't see my beautiful face. Just kidding around. So awesome. All right, we will check in with you guys in the Discord, and I will see you on screen Friday. Sweet. Thank you, everybody. Thank you, my navigators, for steering the ship. See you guys.